Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the best digital tools that are out there in 2024. If you're a creator, if you're making YouTube content, link, LinkedIn, TikTok, if you're into email marketing, if you're trying to build a community online, and you're trying to make income from all these activities with a website, with building courses, this is the video for you. I will be going through some of the leading SaaS and WordPress solutions to help you make more income from your passions, from what you are building online as a creator. I will be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back, folks. So you're a creator and you're looking to make income from your community or your activities. And what are some of the best digital tools out there that can help you? Now, I've written a great article. The link is in the video description that goes into this even more detail with all the links that I'm going to be discussed in this particular video. Now, let's start with your digital hub, as I call it, your website. Now, there's a lot of creators that don't have a website or don't have a particular good one. I think this is an enormous mistake. Like I say, I see your website as a creator, as your hub. That's something that you own. It can't be taken away from you. It will always be there. It is concrete in a very non-concrete world of digital media. So I think it's really important. Now, you've got a choice here. Or if you go the WordPress route, which gives you the maximum digital sovereignty, ownership, and design flexibility, or you go SaaS, software as a service, which is still great, but it doesn't give you the maximum ownership. The leaders in this are SaaS, Squarespace, or Wix. I think they're both fantastic solutions. I don't think they're as good as WordPress. The other one that you can consider is Shopify. If you're going to have a large mixture of digital and non-digital products as part of your mix, these are all great solutions. If you're looking at WordPress, you're going to be looking at a modern page builder, landing page builder. I don't think you can go wrong with Cadence WP. It's amazing value, and it's some of the most modern WordPress technology in your hands. So website first. So email marketing. What I said about the website being your digital hub and you having the most direct control over that element can apply to email marketing. You know, when social media came out and YouTube and all the things that I've already remarked about in this video came online, people said that email, the so-called gurus, all said that email was going to be destroyed as a method of marketing. They've all been proven totally wrong. It's still really crucial as a creator that you have your own email list. The return that you can get from that is enormous. It doesn't have to be an enormous list either. It's more about engagement, and do the people that are receiving your email open it and enjoy what you're supplying in your email. When it comes to membership, it's even more important. So what are some of the solutions here? Well, you can go with SaaS. You can go with something like MailChimp, which used to be the darling because it used to offer a fabulous free product element to it. It still had problems. It has really gone downhill. over the last couple of years, I wouldn't really recommend it at all. There are other solutions that are really much better than it in the SaaS platform. Um, what would I use? Well, you could look at Active Campaign if you're into real market automation, and email can become quite expensive. Maillight has become really popular. It's a French company. Its free product offers the kind of amazing value that MailChimp used to offer. Its email builder and its free account is really quite amazing value, and it has a landing page builder as well and some other functionality, and you get most of it with the free product, and the paid versions, what each step offers makes a lot more sense than what MailChimp is offering. Now, on the WordPress front, you've got some really fantastic solutions that, like I say, a good combination that gives you everything that SaaS at a much reduced price is a combination of Cadence WP, which is also your website builder, but it's also an amazing landing page builder, which has a great library of landing page that comes with some of the pro versions of Cadence. Combining that with something like Fluent CRM, combining the two together with is just amazing. And you get such amazing power, but ease of use. And if you host with WP-Tonic, you get all that as part of your hosting package. And we link it all up so you don't have any loops to jump through. It's amazing. Now, when it comes to landing pages, it's the same story really as the previous two I've described. You've got SaaS like lead pages, still a really great solution. You got ClickFunnels. I think I think that's quite expensive for what you're getting. I think lead pages you're going to be happier. Um, but like I've said before, with WordPress, with Cadence WP, you get an amazing library of landing pages, especially with the paid versions of Cadence WP inbuilt. And it's just amazing value, folks. You know, like 1 or 2 months of a medium plan of the two SaaS products I've just recommended to you would cover your whole year's usage with Cadence WP. And like I say, you get all this as part of your hosting package with WP-Tonic. So it's amazing value. Now, when it comes to social media and publishing, you really do need a service, because what a lot of people don't understand with social media is that you're going to have to publish a lot more than what you think. And doing it consistent is also really important. And we all, as entrepreneurs, as creators, we have to have so many hats. So we're always juggling that what we've got to do every day. And a lot of us have got a full-time job and we're trying to build our online business as a side hustle. Because of these reasons, having a platform, a social media platform that can help you publish your social media and build your social media and then push it out at certain times of days and times is really crucial. Now, there's some amazing SaaS products out there that help you do this. One of them that I've liked consistently is Buffer. There's other ones out there, but I do like Buffer. There's almost half a dozen. All of them offer free but I won't say they're crippled, but they really cut down how many social posts you can publish each day. And that's a major problem because that's why you're using these services, right, to push. Now, if you host with WP-Tonic, we can offer a social media calendar as part of the hosting package that does everything what Buffer does and the other leading SaaS solutions. There's also some WordPress plugins that do similar things. The publishers of the Fluent CRM and Fluent Forms, they have a great social media calendar publishing solution. But like I say, if you host with WP-Tonic, you get that as part of the deal. But you, whatever way you go, SaaS or WordPress, you do really need this if you're going to get serious about really marketing your social media through social media. You need one of these solutions. I'm going to end the video now because I don't want it to be too long. Like I say, I've written an article that gives you all the links to all the products I've just described, plus a load of extra ones. You find that in the show notes, the video description. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. That really encourages me to make more of these videos. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.